Oh my, forest looks so beautiful. Oh yeah, oh my.
Hey, look
What
over
the
here.
heck?
They have sets that you can build, but they cost money, of course.
It costs.
Girl,
Oh
the zombies are coming, bro.
my. Is this what I think it is?
You crank this.
Wait, what?
Crank what? Crank what?
Oh.
Is that a gun?
In the face.
All right, that's okay.
Oh, you shoot it. Oh, I'm a pretty princess.
Oh my god.
No,
Guess what?
bro.
Oh.
You look at this.
Oh, no, my
We're just gonna
dragon.
die.
You pushed my dragon, Sheila.
Challenge you to a fight, Pickles. What are you gonna use?
I use
The
sword.
sword. Not seen
Yeah, it's really cool.
Oh, it's like a museum.
Like you could
Yeah, it is.
over here.
Whoa, it's like a whole lobby.
Finally, they.
And here's monkey blocks.
Oh my
Look,
god.
this is monkey.
It's attic.
What the hell is that? They added ladders. Wait.
They have
Yeah,
ladders
there's
now?
Conveyor belts.
Oh.
Yes, there.
There's conveyor belts now. What is this?
Dude, there's
Wait,
doors.
Are these
It
fast?
shreds it.
They have
It shreds-
doors. I'm gonna make a
Oh,
castle.
Look, you see this? You see this?
Yeah.
It shreds.
Dang, that's nice.
Can I show you something? Look, let me put the apple
No,
down
I'm gonna
and
be
turn
moving.
small. Turn small. You can actually grab the apple. Yeah,
You can grab
eat
it.
the apple.
Oh, you can eat the apples.
You have an apple.
Oh, you know what?
I have an
Pickles,
apple.
let's recreate-
I'm gonna make a castle.
Nightland.
Yeah.
Look, you could put stuff on your arm.
Oh, that is convenient.
Wait, I forgot.
Wait, look, there's a big slide.
Are you okay, my God?
Is this what I think it is? Chat.
It's a burner.
Oh, that is so cool.
That is.
Let's check out my castle. I'm finished with my castle. It's kind of Sigma. Oh my god, the trapdoor.
What's it at?
Ding dong.
Annoying.
Big annoying.
Trick shot. I'm gonna try to jump into the window. Ah, too big back.
That's what you got.
Finally. What is? I never
Oh, I was so close.
I'm almost finished it. Go.
I did it!
Yeah.
I did it!
Cool. Look,
my ass is
look,
dead.
you could. Look here.
No!
Oh no.
No.
This died.
No! Please! It's okay. It's okay. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. It's okay. No!
I challenge you to a fight, Pickles.
I did it!
Oh, no.
I did it! Is that a gun?
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!